Yo, what's up, everyone? Today we're breaking down the slang term mob. So, what does it actually mean? In simple words, mob is a large group of people or a crowd acting together. People use it when describing any big, often noisy gathering of people around a shared interest or event. Sometimes it can also mean something slightly different depending on the context. Where did it come from? Slang usually has a cool backstory. Mob first showed up in Latin times as mobile vulgus, meaning the movable common people. Over time, it spread into everyday talk, especially among communities describing crowds or groups moving together. Now let's check out how to use mob in a sentence. Correct example 1. The mob gathered quickly outside the concert venue, cheering loudly for the band. Correct example 2. Everyone was surprised when the mob suddenly took over the streets for the festival. And for laughs, here's a wrong example. My grandma said mob at Sunday dinner, and everyone just froze. See how slang adds personality and vibe? Using mob right makes you sound natural, but using it wrong can be hilarious. Quick recap. Mob means a large group of people or a crowd acting together. It started in Latin times, and now you'll hear it in conversations, online, or even in music. Now it's your turn. Drop your best sentence with mob in the comments. And if you want to learn more slang and fun word histories, don't forget to subscribe and join our community here every day.